Today's subject is tickly throat or sting or sore throat. The Western science said that when you get dry cough or sore throat, things like that, is due to a virus in the air coming into our body. However, in my opinion, those one is very less. It's about less than 10%, and in my opinion, 90% of them is because of cold air and warm body. And many people get the catching cold in the fall or winter, and even summertime when too much air conditioner making cold air, then we catch cold too. So in my opinion, a lot more than just the Western science cause. Now, when we have to think about our human body function, the lung has a function usually downward. Okay, let me explain one more time. Here is spring, summer, fall, and the winter. And then this spring has going up and summer going up. But the fall, usually temperature coming down and the winter, coming down. Okay, so now this fall, in the fall, the organ is lung. So lung organ function is going down. Now, this fall is a dry season. Therefore, lung become dry, and our system of lung is nose, throat, everything is lung. So when dry season, the throat is become dry. Why become dry? Because the heat is bigger than temp here. Heat is bigger than temp. This is the cause. So first thing is we have to remove the heat, get rid of the heat, and also we have to supply a damp. Now, when you understand the concept of acupuncture theory, then it's clear. We cannot see the virus, we cannot see the germ, but we know, we feel, oh, it's cold, it's windy, we feel that. Why don't you use this with feeling? Virus, germ, we are not able to see without a microscope. So it's supposed to be, when you understand this concept, then it's easy to, how to solve the issue. One more time, the heat coming down and temp go up. So now we understand concept now. So when you search in the internet, when you get sore throat, then tickly or sting in the throat, then drink warm water. Now, does it fit in this concept? Drink warm water? So we know that kind of information does not suit in this condition. So the easiest one is drink a little cold water, because water is damp, so damp increase, and then heat, cold water, so put it down. I did that. It helped. The problem is the water does not stay in over there too long time. That is the problem. So what I tried to find out was, why don't I eat ice cream? So I took the ice cream. Now we know ice cream is cold. It's colder than normally, cold water, refrigerator water, okay? So ice cream itself, ice, cold. Now the cream has lots of milk inside. So in other words, milk belongs to our dampnesses. Understand, right? Now, the old classic book does not mention about ice cream. However, ice cream invented about 1600, about 1500 something. However, it's popular with ice cream is less than 100 years old. So ice cream is not written in classic book. Now, due to this concept, we may be able to use what kind of food is suited on this condition. Heat lower and damp up ice cream. Now, somebody going to say ice cream is sweet, therefore, causing diabetes. It is true, but you don't need too much ice cream. You take just 1 spoon, then, if continue, then take 1 more spoon. Most cases, when you take 2 spoons, it soothes sore throat or tickly, sting, all those will be disappear with ice cream. Now, if somebody afraid of, taking ice cream, then I made a YouTube about how to take care of diabetes already, so you can look for. Okay? Thank you so much for your watching.